Hello and welcome back, it's V, let's get started. Occasionally, being an Apple fan, I do try to find the best accessories out there for my devices. If I can pick up one product for multiple devices, that actually would be pretty solid. I do have a Bluetooth mouse, which is quite different compared to the competition, and it has a unique twist to everything. Right now, you can pick this up off Amazon for around $60. It is from a company called Prologue, which they are known for making Bluetooth foldable keyboards. This one is a little bit different. It's not your standard Bluetooth mouse, but it does have a couple unique features that really make it more or less stand out. Inside the box, USB Type-C charging cable. It's nice to have a nice charging cable. Companies do tend to cheap out on that. Besides that, you have the mouse. Just holding it, it feels quite light compared to my MX Master 3. I mean, that's not necessarily a bad thing. The build quality is decent. It does not feel cheap. If you flip the mouse around, it has the usual stuff, the on and off switch. We can connect up to 3 different devices, iPad, Mac, computer. On top, it does charge with USB Type-C. For comparison with weight, I said this thing was pretty light. It only weighs 72 grams compared to my MX Master 3. That thing weighs 142 grams. Being much lighter and having a smaller footprint, this mouse is more ideal for anyone more so on the go. To actually pair this mouse, find 1, 2, or 3, whichever one you want to set it to, hold it down for 3 seconds, it will flash blue. On the iPad, go to Bluetooth settings, find the mouse, connect to it for whatever number you choose. Being able to connect up to 3 different devices, it's easily able to switch between all 3 of them with a push of a button. It is rocking Bluetooth 5.1, so it does have a range of 30 feet. It has better latency when moving the cursor around. On the front of the mouse has the left and right click, the scroll wheel in the middle, and the DPI button, which does adjust the scroll wheel. Overall, this mouse actually isn't too bad. If you are like me and you do like some good sci-fi dramas with a wonderful cast of characters which spans over a dozen books, X-Force by Craig Allison is a series to really check out. Pre-order now for book 16, which does drop in December. Right now with my promo code, you can get 2 free audiobooks, 30 days for free, and after the free trial, it's $14.95 a month. You can cancel at any time. Re-listening with Skippy and Joe is such a wild ride. This series is one worth checking out. The main selling point about this product is it has a built-in USB hub that does fit quite securely into the back side of it. It's a USB Type-C dongle in the back side of the mouse. Once I attach it to my iPad, it does have USB Type-C for pass-through charging. There's no actual data connection for that. For data transferring, you are limited to USB Type-A. The other 2 ports are a full-size HDMI and USB Type-A. Personally, I would prefer to have another USB Type-C, maybe a headphone jack, but I mean, it is what it is. They can only fit so much into a small form factor. Like this mouse is pretty versatile because you can bring less and you are given more. You have a functional Bluetooth mouse with a dongle built in. You have 2 different devices into one, so that's one less thing I have to carry with me, because half the time, wherever I go, I always bring my mouse with me. I never really bring my dongle, so if I ever want to work on a bigger monitor, I forgot to bring that adapter with me. It's basically 2-in-1, so I will not forget the other one. At the end of the day, this mouse is a little bit expensive at $60 compared to other Bluetooth mice, and those could be anywhere from $20, $30, $40. So is this mouse worth the premium price? Really, it's a toss-up. If anyone is looking for a 2-in-1 combo for their mouse and also having a USB hub, this might be the product you've been looking for. I've been testing this out for a few weeks now on my tablets and on my MacBook. So far, this has held up pretty well. Granted, it is a little bit more expensive, but you are also given a built-in USB dongle. I've actually used the USB hubs more than I thought I would with my iPads. Like when I'm out and about and I just have my mouse with me, it does offer a little bit more compared to the competition. It's a very nice product. I bring it with me wherever I go, especially when I travel, just because having that dongle built in, especially for full-size HDMI, I have this mouse and that's pretty much about it. This is a very unique product to look into. So, like always, it's V, stay classy.